Okay, in the name of Allah, we will start. May peace and blessing of Allah be upon Muhammad, the messenger of Allah. And psychological miracle in the Quran. 3. Faith and inattention, the heart. Previously, we talked about the instinct and the faith. Instinct, which are internal scientific forces and internal willing forces. We talked how the faith come after instinct as soon as we get the external sources. How we fight to preserve the faith. Today we will talk about the faith and inattention, the heart. What does that mean? The main idea: when the false faith takes place in your heart, the heart will avoid the right faith. Any faith else. That's called verified inattention. Then the heart will be burdened, mean heart will follow others' soul desire and mind conjecture. And that means maybe this photo will explain this particular point. Yes. Verified inattention: when you get false faith in your heart, you will avoid any faith, even if it was even if it is right faith. What's happened? Burdened heart will follow the mind conjecture and the soul desire. Okay. On other hand, see here, when the right faith means Allah revelations take place in your heart, what's happened? The heart will avoid the false faith, any faith else, and we called it as praised inattention. Then the heart will be pure, and that means heart will be followed by other. Soul follow the instinct, mind follow right rationale. We see in the photo here, when you get right faith, Allah revelation, you will get praised inattention, and that means your heart is pure, your heart is sound, and command, your heart is leader, command, your heart will be followed by soul and mind, as you see. We can give an example of this. to understand what the heart mean. Um, have you ever seen that captain of the ship? Yes. Have you ever seen that captain of the ship when he was reeling from the impact of the alcohol? Yes. The ship also waved him, in turn influenced by abnormally rough seas. Now we have two we have two reeling. One of them from the impacting from the alcohol, and the other is impacting influenced by abnormally rough seas. What's happened now? Now the captain will not recognize the cause of the reeling, so he couldn't drive the ship, as do the heart. The heart can't drive and determine the source of the problem, and that's mean burdened heart. Yes. And number two, the heart. The heart as normal sensory we can define as the organ who pumps blood through the blood vessel, but morally it is an organ who drive your behavior and emotions. Yes, morally and sensory. Sensory pump blood through the blood vessels. Yes, morally get control over your behaviors and emotions. And yes, um, in the Sahih Muslim number 1599, Nu'man bin Bashir said that Muhammad, may peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, said, in the body there is a piece of flesh. If it's sound, the whole body is sound, pure. And if it is corrupt, the whole body is corrupt and hurricane. It is the note here, it is the heart. So the heart means the commander. The heart means the leader. Yes. Means get control over your behavior and emotions. Number three, the inattention. Inattention in Arabic language means anything is not completed to what it is designed for. For example, land and designed to plant. Yes, but when the land hasn't planted, so we can call it as inattention land, or inattentive land. Yes. Heart, in our example here, heart is designed for to have right-minded, rational. If it hasn't, so it is inattention. um, of course, due to careless, default, neglect, or disregarding. Heart is designed for to be built with the Allah instruction and knowing, such as dependence, trust, hopeful, and goodwill to fill in. But if the heart was free from those knowing, so we call the heart inattentive. Inattentive, yes. So the, in, the inattentive heart verified in attention, inattentive heart, pure heart, not pure heart, burdened heart means when the heart is free from dependence, trust, hopeful, and goodwill. Type of the inattention.